Today we are making a cake. Let's get started. First we need 4 eggs. Next we add 2 cups of sugar. I will mix it all. Now we add 1 cup of milk. Add 1 cup of oil. This will make the cake soft. Now add 4 cups of flour and mix. Now we add baking powder. Let's add 1 teaspoon of milk. We add 2 grated carrots. Of crushed walnut. We are ready to pack the cake in the oven. You can add some powdered sugar. Is ready. Smells so good. Now we got the cake. Let's try a piece.